guys, this is your teacher Haris Bhatt and you are seeing my YouTube channel Learn Accounting with Sir Haris. Today I am back, obviously with the same reason, for the guess of IGCSE 0452 which is going to be held on 13th of February 2026. Please listen the video till the end, it's going to be very important. Why? Because I have already given you the guess of AS Accounting which is going to be held on 9th February 2026. Today I am here for O-Level or IGCSE 0452 for my Indian students obviously. माँ मैं आ गया, माँ मैं आ गया, कोई मुझसे प्यार नहीं करता, मैं सबको छोड़ के चले जाऊंगा। नहीं, हम फिल्में नहीं बनाते, हम काम करके दिखाते हैं। We basically talk through actions. तो आपने फिल्म बनाई धुरंधर, को अच्छी नहीं लगी मुझे वैसे, ठीक है, क्योंकि सारी झूठी थी। It was nothing true in that actually, right? तो ये दूध मांगेंगे खीर देंगे, कुछ मीट मांगेंगे चीर देंगे, ना करो यार, छोड़ दो ये चीरें ना लगाओ, ठीक है। हमें पता है कि वो फिल्मों में ही आप कर सकते हैं, बस सनी देओल साहब जो है, ठीक है। ऐसा करो, व्हाट डू यू थिंक, आप ना शाहरुख खान, सलमान खान और आमिर खान हमें दे दो, ठीक है ना, फिर देखो हम कैसी फिल्में बनाते हैं। Obviously you are much ahead of us in that reason, but not in qualification, not in skills, not in experience. Okay? आपकी बादी है 2 अरब की, हमारी बादी है 25 करोड़ की। मैं फिर चैलेंज कर रहा हूँ, any one of you who is capable, competent, professional, who feels motivated about him that he is good in the subject, guess दे के दिखाएं मुझे। ये guess आपके लिए है, इंडियन स्टूडेंट्स के लिए है ना, तो आप में से कोई तो टीचर आगे बढ़ के guess दे सकता है। वो बरशन्ना साहिबा जो है, she sound very nice. I really used to see her video because she talks so politely. So, but the problem is this, that she is supposed to give the guess if she is competent. So let's come forward and let's play with us, with Pakistanis, which you think that you people, we are not coward at all, and we have proved that in the last war. ठीक है ना, वो जब 7 जहाज गिरे थे आपके। खैर, let's come back. So February March IGCSE 2026 variant. I am there to help you out. You can WhatsApp me on my YouTube channel also. The first question is going to be from Cashbook plus T account, trade receivable, trade payable, Cashbook, trade receivable, trade payable, or some part of bank reconciliation statement, maybe 4 marks. But it is a bank reconciliation in statement form. Means Cashbook and bank statement will not be given. Small part of BRS will come. So Cashbook plus T accounts, maybe 4 number parts of part of purchase journal, and with the trade receivable or trade payable account. Second question is from single entry or incomplete records. I will go with incomplete records. Income statement will be prepared with reversal method, right? Third question is from manufacturing plus or partnership. I will go with manufacturing count. Yes, in this February-March variant 2026, on 13th February, you will find the question of manufacturing count or partnership, but I will go with manufacturing, it's very clear. Fourth question is from company plus ratios, small part of ratios, but definitely it will be question of company account, statement of changes in equity or income statement, but do prepare preference shares. Yes, do prepare preference shares because it is important, either redeemable or non-redeemable, because it has already come in October, November 24-22, which has created a lot of problem for the students, right? Last question is from errors, along with corrected trial balance and suspense account. And obviously I will give the guess of P3 and P4 because it is going to be held on 18th February and 25th February. I know that already, right? So inshallah on 18th or 19th February I will upload the guess of P3 and P4 also. So please subscribe my channel and share my video with all your friends. I am ready to help you. You are human beings, you are my brothers and sisters, you are my children, right? And follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and please subscribe my YouTube channel and see the videos, all the videos over there. Otherwise it will not help you. You will not get good score in your exams. Your grade threshold will not be more than 60 out of 100 in paper 2. So please prepare yourself. I will upload more videos and see them thoroughly. Okay? And P1 inshallah will not be that difficult. It will be easy one. And P3, P4 I will upload the guess soon. And as I discussed with you that my new session has been started already. So join my session from Monday 12th of January. Some part of the course has already been done. There will be no guest announcement for my Pakistani students for May-June 2026. You have to join my session at Green Hall or online session, WhatsApp me 0333-471-2897. Other than that, you can also ask me. I will try to go for a live streaming also for my Hindu and Indian students. And I do believe that you will continue to give me the same respect and honor which you have been given in past. I'm talking to my foreign students especially, right? God bless you. Take care. Jo baat hai. Thank you.